Baseke Holy Stars omonso entimi and shebi and afen so Diana Estra Nana Ajama Bedu the first sports stereo echechere ekano adese bako enan edishia Legon Cities omonso entimi ante Nations FC ewo abrankese Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex omo eshemiensa ema Samates enso entimi ante ekanibi Young Apostles enso etna wenchi eshe economy ensa ema aye Heart of Lions ete ekani bako Vision FC enso eshe bako ema Karela United omonso entimi ante na sisi Ghana Premier League no a table no say ena etie Nations FC after 32 matches Nations was 60 points omonso LED table no ena afen so baby any goal stars etoso mienu omo 57 points Kumasi Asante Roko etoso miensa omo 55 points and afen so Heart of Lions etoso enai omonso 54 points House of Folk abetoso enum omonso 52 points Midiama etoso nsia omo 50 points Samates etoso enso and afen so Dreams FC etoso enwatwe Bechem United etoso enkuno Adriana Stars etoso edu bakono eye Brekum Chelsea Young Apostles etoso edu mienu Vision FC etoso edu miensa and a Holy Stars Baseke omonso etoso edu enai edu numno eye Karela United and a offense Accra Lions etoso edinsia Legon Cities omone eye enswa trade yaka babai enso ede achire omo Ghana Premier League no next season omonso entimi mobi entisisi ano Baseke Holy Stars and offense Karela United and they say Accra Lions ye pabako akeka Legon Cities ene eye enswatre enso onti e be de wa they say enonso no ebesifa akọ na endra na enye fediagro enso ewo baby ani ene ne montene so ebra Asante Kotoko supporters no meka se omu invade baby ani endra basisa omo enso edi free Kumase ebe piemo ewo baby ani no na edoso paye na yeni nkan enko ade se omo ton eye Kotoko Panafalians no na ye muso omo se before the game no market no ye ready wa na eno so efa ekoso enso edema omo before the game
nene ubedru ya no response ne te say o minim se mo de am ba ntem kakra o hye ne oma na asabre ya boy 11 e koboto bi
oh say the market of foreign channel my from ba ma I knew say start game in the na market no I come my
o gidie say ne market ni be koyi
o mo gidie so na Kotoko so be share am market na akoyi pa
anti mo de mo na Kotoko wo hye no
yes your business ne kwaso
oh okay Kotoko I share ya na affect mu business
affect market ni issue I was said ya and they be akwa ni age
enti ye pon bo no crash still no mutimi to
mo pie na no moto
eno enso ensem no na chese Kotoko widi game dia na babia ewu Asante Kotoko big na endra Asante Kotoko supporters no omu kotwifa babia ni Gold Star supporters ne so esan say 90 minutes omu gina omu na so eshi jamasa na dru baby Gold Star supporters no ma ye din enso honomo na before the game na mo ede wo yentie babia ni Gold Stars for ne so supporters no before the game ensema na omu so eka
medase ane akwanya de ama me chia sympathy for you na e frame Eric and Erikus kakra me kan say ana de ubisa me a de me kan say mframa papa na ebo no e mom ma Kotoko mum ne mum we say Gold Stars na ebo amai medase am say Gold Stars de that can say a minus team minus into no penny for the name of Guaquem at the ticket fee no so Sabaya, you probably to me about more a man could be a Gold Stars a pen or Yanya Tina about cause or Shako has
no or the two just an chese Endra gate process no na ewo Sompa ye popular stand omoje 30 Ghana city VIP omoje 60 Ghana cities enso ewo hono Endra baby any dance park eho ye ma na chese babia enso etimi aboma na Asante Kotoko supporters no before the game omonso ede ensem say etuja
akomoyin do mu dia nhia obi say be hye mutu obi say just in your fair, we say it's a lot, but Uncle so na the Navy and to Paba. Why didn't see the mobile day and movie year? Said it, a good year, Mamma fan, and good year, Mamma fan. Yeah, for that day,
into almost check or go two.
Oh, and the end of possible.
Eno and semini bi ana ekoso ewo baby ani anopana ede ba na wi animu na Kotoko supporters ne de omso omani so ade hunu ni nyina na 3 points.
The 3 points in the yam, I didn't see Nayaba. Yeah, the 3 points in the yam.
Kotoko budget 3 points.
Oh, yeah, I was saying 3 points.
Go stars in Susu and next moment.
Enti eno ensem na chese build up na na yetete woman na chese Endra na babia ni ehuru na game no eba na wieye go stars omuso omu be hyetuo Asante Kotoko se okwaje 3 points o ni nyina na ye bosiada chese obia entimi anhyebi Asante Kotoko anhyebi babia ni go stars enso entimi anhyebi na coach Karim Zito head coach edema Asante Kotoko before after the game no ensem say eno no so tuja.
It was a fantastic game. All created a lot of chances. Yes, we take a nice football. Good day to come and watch. I mean, they were excited to have a team. This is how the game is. I'm okay. I'm very okay. Better than me. So I'm okay.
Eti coach Karim Zito and I did to just say game there na a exciting game na oye okay with the results no rather than say Asante Kotoko and so ebetimi elusu game no ho e dey busan say coach over game we no o top striker this season second round Kwame Poku Ghana Premier League no wa shed 9 goals e was second round ni no oba no went me and maybe on the Black Stars and so akopie mu on London na abaka say o mix say e Kwame Poku absence na
You said it before. I missed one of my best players. So definitely he being absent in this game. I even said I wish he was out in the test. So it's a fact. But I can't stop him from progressing his life. Even myself, in Black Sabbath, I also understand. So I'm very good against him. I want him to go down. But yes, that is one of the someone that in certain moments in this match company. But yes, even though I miss it, but you see it here. Still even do
eno coach Karim Zito or say onukra na player and a blasters call up no onya yanko beja Asante Kotoko continue omo mixing the name players na aka wachire no ejina mu adwuma no kama edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko make sure say omo de 1 point enso ebe free baby ani enso etimi aba Kumasi na coach Frimpong Manso and yebusa ni say coach o last 2 games enso ewo baby ani no eno man koye enso emfama what lusu baako and wa draw enso ebako
sometimes you can predict that everything today, for instance, what else could we have? Our boys played well, but we're finishing for the goal. So for me, yes, you can say, but at the end of the day, you don't put the ball in the net. That is for me. It has happened, but for me, it's still not.
Eno head coach Edema baby any goal stars coach Frimpong Manso and it is 72 years a football there Tom Rebia o predict here and nso enye nanko nim say ne last 3 home matches aka there obe win ni nyina na aboa na league no but enioma anko said here openo na mom no coach ɛsan so ɛde nsɛm to dwa ne ebusan sɛ coach sisi adeɛ obi bɛka sɛ Nations FC ɛbie gap no 3 points title hopes no ayɛ over now.
Yeah, of course, because mathematically the difference is 3 points, and then there are 2 more games to go. So we'll continue to fight. Why would I say that? A team that nearly went to relegation last season, and then now we are fighting for title, and we talk about what do they do? Disappointed. No, I'm not at all. I'm rather proud of
Coach Frimpong Manson Echema onye disappointed se koba se baby any Gold Stars Angie League na esan se last season nyame nko aka baby any Gold Stars omo call relegation ene wetimi abepeje omo every relegation zone e de omo ba ma omo fight for league title aka 2 matches ye hu de Angie League na se koba se omo Angie League na onye disappointed de biara da eno ensema Gold Stars head coach Frimpong Manson enso etimi edit tuja na endra ade se okopiem hohoya Owo United omonso etimi a qualifier next season Ghana Premier League no omonso ebaba Bobby na Owo United enkane na ye Liberty Professionals ena omoto team no change din no eye ne Owo United yewe omo fans no endra after qualification no.
The football is made at Owo.
Yes, and no football is made at Hohoy and no Hohoy United fans no and Sema Omonso Eddie Etujano no na Abrantia ye freno Salifu Osman on the Hohoy United captain after the game on Nsemga Kra Etuja.
From the beginning and at the end now we appreciate God, and at least it wasn't an easy task. I think we started and at least we prayed and Almighty Allah grant us, and now we got the trophy as well. So inshallah, God willing, next week our match by Olympics we are going to get champions.
Eno Salifu Osman, captain for Hohoy United. This answer me to Jana. We know Apostle Etnas in 9:30 Obebwaye say a free say yebo Ghana football no. Voter region yenye 2 Premier League teams at the same season and because NA Hohoy United are qualified Heart of Lions and so Ghana Premier League nim omunyina every voter region omonso next season Ghana Premier League no na Henry Asante Chum communication director at the Ghana Football Association they say odensem kakra. And so at me at yenim preparation because Wednesday Black Stars of Ghana and in Nigeria and Yonkofa Kensia Yatuni the Unity Cup Baso 4 Nation tournament in the same Kratuja.
Finally we are in London in the a great competition between this trip. We left Accra, came to Istanbul, and finally we are in London, and it feels good to be here. A great competition between Ghana and Nigeria, and there is no friendly game between us.
You win that game, you win the Unity Cup. Is the Jollof argument over?
The Jollof argument never ends. To the Jollof argument, they go on and on until the end of time. But me, I know say my Jollof number 1.
Enti eno Henry Asante Chum and it is answer to Janentino game no say na be call Jamaica any Trinidad and Tobago and a be first game na anyame boa Wednesday Ghana and Nigeria enti wa be renew match bia no na okọ finals enso ehoro mo enti Grace mo munya opportunity test Nigeria jollof na mo nso matimi abeka mo asemesan se ehọ na mo be say Nigeria jollof no and e best and answer Ghana jollof no and so best and 7 doso but a Brennington ye the office no and so enyina ebesia enano pay na fenso yakọ enkofon kroso akofa amanonen sem no and so etimi aba powers
Ola
yeah
Yenshase enede na yenin komo ahodo kakra enso oho me patro Grace yenshase enfemfi the final round of matches for EPL na mindi hu komo kakra esanse over the weekend and leagues ni nyina no aba na wie ye top 5 major European leagues are empempi no ye di hu komo ni nyina aba na wie over the weekend na winim se Bournemouth etena fieshe 2 against Leicester City bobo kona mantubi ye nyina Ghana ni abranta ne jadi Antoine Semenyo ono na se 2 goals no edma Bournemouth team on the 74th minute, again on the 85th minute, and a 2 goals and so to me top form. Don't forget Fulham Etrefie at the Craven Cottage. Man City kwese mu 2-0. Ikai Gonogan say 1 goal, and which Ellen brought along, and so there's another goal at Man City club. No, when him say Eastwood Town Etrefie West Ham United. I could try my camion son, almost went to one to be the part already telling James Ward Prowse on as 2 goals, Ghana near the day, and so at the Mohammed Kudus on also Kwase goal at my club and the team at West Ham United, and I had their course when run Yaguso that I won some out on. And they bana bibia so atumi ayakama me patro Liverpool S1 Crystal Palace otekano amani kokwe 1-1 Mo Salah ono anase first goal at the Liverpool club no ngamra creativity and so at the Ismail Sarr from Senegal. And also make it 1-1. And so they are a club. Your friends are Crystal Palace. The part of Manchester United share 2. Aston Villa and Movie. Ahmad Diallo. And the Kratia. Your friends are Christian Eriksen. And so and I said 2 goals. Sadema United. Newcastle United to fear. Everton Kwasamu 1-0. Carlos Jonas. And Alcaraz. Wamon. No, and I said 1 goal no at the Everton club no Nottingham Forest to fear Chelsea. Equasem 1-0. Owura Efense Levi. Eye Lamar Cornwall. Ono I said only goal. Southampton 1. Arsenal 2. Kieran Tierney share goal. Martin Odegaard enso share goal ne baako. Edima Arsenal Football Club. Southampton enso consolation goal no. Owura Efense Ross Stewart. Ono and Etimu baako. Tottenham Hotspur. Etefe surprisingly. Emma Brighton Echo ball move 4-1. And no matches are echo so over the weekend. You don't want some out on. And they made here for live on Sompa 93.1 again on Sompa television so and that day anopa go so den some out on no and the airpane bibia so to my kama the part of social Premier League table now say all is done for these clubs wamoko relegation ya come some they are long ago. Leicester City echo relegation, Ipswich Town echo relegation, Southampton and so echo relegation. So say no I said grace me part of my Premier League no teams are qualify for Champions League. Yame Yatuma. Next season. So say it 10 years and it's these 6 clubs are qualified for Champions League. Liverpool, Arsenal, Man City, Chelsea, Newcastle and so Ecobo Champions League. Wamra Spurs Bobo Krono after winning the Europa League no wamuso kwenya mukobo aya UEFA Champions League no aya nkomori bi afu so to twenete and yet nsam nagoto de pare bi bianso no atumi aya kama next mami owura de tin ade Trent Alexander-Arnold na mi di Trent Alexander-Arnold hu nkomo enura nie na chesa akwakoya rowsem na aya Ejekum Blankson mo player no se okọ na the last game anopo na how na supporters esi ebonu tuto and someone no more can defend hono na ya dana raho na adwuma woye edama club no owie kura no de tutwa se munkai adwuma woye enso edama Liverpool Football Club and they imre nanya so se also furu enso kwatoa aye no football career no so baby to sadia coach aye fansem aye jogging club ade tutwa ananu atano enti na player no bonani na kwakwa ni so enso ye nsam de bia no so tutwa na tai de gusu de nsam awoton de pare bibia so no atumi ayakama mami Premier League Golden Glove and as a bad goalkeeper no na mitino nkomo kakasa so de tienie and it's a 2 goalkeepers way and a Premier League from penny for abom abaso se season na ba na wiye no goalkeepers mienu and abom motene 1 Matt South onon a goalkeeper at the Nottingham Forest Arsenal our own David Raya don't wanna do this or no. In fact, I the best, and so our Premier League no more. The part of Mo Salah, a bin sita. Our Premier League abeko semo, my Mohamed Salah 3 I am good. The other Sompa TV nation a bin sita. Our Premier League abeko semo. See every season, not the same season. No, watching I get 3 Premier League Player of the Season, Premier League Golden Boot, Premier League Playmaker Award. Ebi sida I the first summer ebi enso esi our Premier League no so be semo no aye nsam ne so to twenetaya ya de ensam ahoto na de pa na bi biansum atumi aye kama be part so far season no abana bi etekriye 282 days and ya de abo Premier League no and we 380 matches and their course so 1,115 goals 1,115 goals and you record your Premier League no more ya me ya 9:30 ya bad ya catching na ya de bepa na bibia so atumi ayakama the part of Grace Mami Ancelotti's plane land in Brazil good way eya anopeya Don Carlo Ancelotti aye ni play na odi ekwadru Brazil abonten so na oguso wohwe awo Sompa aye television so nti flight way and opening ade koye afi mam ne boss mra boss be pick no from the airport na ndi hu komo obehu se coach no na ni titemu a wahwe Brazil cap na ni titemu no na finally omodi no kodu ya no odu airport na federation mpenifo ababa funu kodu ya ni yentie sound kakra hawa Brazil supporters dede anajono omliko question some money ate tesa Ghana dia ne pepepe Brazil national team head coach Oguanidin Adedon Carlo Ancelotti wekwekwadua all year tumano na bibia so enso etumi asa sentence obetiso penino enso start adwuma no obo adema Brazil no ayede etodwende teyego seede unsam no ade emyetie for anti chelsea coaching aye cycle no eguso ekoso sese openi aye fansa Xabi Alonso nso be start adwuma ewo bobo quality Real Madrid yame yadom enete no mete so baba Madrid kom ho obebe champion fo no modi nkomo kakra afima Eric ten Hag Peter no na mi din hu nkomo ono so eye adwuma no sa na sike obi kono na obi nso pa Eric ten Hag asa 2 years contract at the amount by all for Leverkusen until 2027 no so adwuma na okofa no ebetumi aba na wieye en aye de Leverkusen bobokro no enso asoye ba de tene se last year obeke our powerhouse your story etuma yetie forse owura forse Xabi Alonso at Leverkusen Bayern for corn home or say onya nadwen so better Leverkusen club no ho and what Liverpool and so echo home after the departure of Jurgen Klopp womu ko test waters no Balsto ora ye force Xabi or say onya nadwen so ofi Leverkusen e ba ne sen and abadwen kwa ye nan and they were jam hoko akokwe adwuma adwuma Madrid bobokro no mami Chelsea player efan se Moses Caicedo na me tunu nkomo master tamu din nkomo from team Chelsea eba efa the efan se contract extension ho enti nkomo no yeso se ekuso ekoso the meeting se we be next week no obeti anase mpona cha no yewem agodwu na obeti se Moses Caicedo enso extended contract at the club yefan se Chelsea anu ye nkomo ni bia enu so fu so totwa no mami Oguanidin adi Hans Data Flick wamoso season no abana ye Hansi Flick akasa at the end of the season yentino.
Tomorrow I will be in the Sport City and then we'll see what we'll speak with some players, we'll speak with Deco, and then on Tuesday I go on holiday, go back to Germany, and yeah, but it's as a coach.
Inti eno na ye Hans Data Flick Barcelona boss no enso mo dia tutwa no se enra season no abana wie ba enamonte so obekwa koye adwuma osi okọ Sport City okọ champagne fo no bi obode kotin esa bompene fo no bi ntika ho se enai obehia mo no wahwe the way forward season na abana wie no pre-season ha wa ne obehia ko ansan wa ko holidays enso ekwa ko mi kakra eno ayogba ne nso wodi tutwa na tei ayeguso ede nsama hoto adeba na bibia nso atumi ayekama afi muma mi Luka Modric aye video no Ola Luka Modric ni otika ma oko stadium ekwa akopon the last game ni na akwa ya rosem otika no wesusa se o free club no mo enso akọ at a point in time no was Lucas Vazquez enso and a console no aso pepa na ni woni so kakra yanhwa na yentie sadia na no Mexico gwamna na player no enso kasa no.
camino al estadio ha sido muy difícil en el vestuario para mí.
Enti eno ayete ekoso we Spain in Augusto wohwe our Sompa 93.1 on Facebook and so again on Sompa television so ntina player no akwa arosem enso etumi ati amano now memra Africa medi Africa nkomo kakra but before so Africa me pacho Grace jaiwe na nsananka mame aye Ruben Amorim na minti Ruben Amorim hu nkomo ono aye Manchester United boss ono so an emotional message odima support Grace Okaho or season is first 3 games na Manchester United and win 2 na United at draw 1 na do now say Premier League no as it is coming home as the Premier League title and also baba na nyate but time na Chelsea won 3 games and win 2 na what draw 1 without defeat no or the two many say munya abotre kakra fama no esanse enoma bekoso a wanhwa anoba den but say season up na wiye o ka dia che United for ni nyina no say Africa ene no mapa ebeba hope enso ho
after this if 6 months ago in my first 3 games in charge with 2 victories and 1 draw, I said to you, the storm is coming. Today, after this disaster season, I want to tell you, the good days are coming.
Enti eno aye Manchester United boss no there's no message better than message of hope eno aye opinion so somebody atucha enti ani da so enso our United club anymore or can ya che wi asin nyina so munya botre to say the good days are coming. Enti Grace mfante che mo re na bibia so entumi nkoso now memra Africa na within 1-2 minutes yenti mfamfiri ho na bibia so entumi nkoso kama dia wo hwe no aye bobo quality enso the RS aye Berkan womo so game am boy enei womo and you champions of Africa our CAF aye Confederation Cup no game the pie aye 1-1 na enra former Kotoko striker no Mukwala ni bobo enra Mukwala performance na nyasam ketokra we ebinie dia uguso awohwe no aye highlight of the game ana uguso awohwe no onim so she goal ana VAR and so a really goal no and so say aye offside dia awohwe we no we aye CAF Champions League and yes make aye Confederation no and also uncommon meeting and so ho and they said they are telling same team Bekan womo and the champions of Africa I mean the Confederation no na the 10 year and it's a 2020 woman na year 2022 almost 2025 omache and 3 times in here and omache and so etumi dey so omuna so afimi patro Grace mami na ye Champions League no first leg and so course na me ni unkom kakra me Melody Sundowns they udi kan de to so no na yen kasa Sundowns at fiase 1 I'm a pyramid and so ateka no ogura ne tedi Ribery Costa ono and so first goal adimo Sundowns game ni yapon 90 na ason 5 minutes I had to so yabo 4 and equalizer from Oranite at El Kalti on also take no Edma pyramid and they are open Yami Yadma 9:30 a bar ya did ya training and the best from your tier for maybe they are super to Makoso or Mahine Yaw do watch any morning show Timno and so Babetwaso with Orlando can your friend Ember Power 9:30 Yansansia a crowd.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City or a high-scoring game?